Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Telegram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram groups that cannot be displayed, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Telegram on your device and tap the search icon. Here, search for Nicegram bot and tap on it. Next, tap Start. The automated message will pop up. Most of the groups cannot be displayed because of age restrictions and sensitive content. So tap I am 18 plus years old and show sensitive content. Once you are done, tap OK. You can also go to the Nicegram website to change these settings. Now you must uninstall Telegram and reinstall it. When you log in, the changes will be applied. And that's how you fix Telegram. This group cannot be displayed. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.